Okay, in this video we will study the fourth situation of image. Already we completed 3. Clear? At infinity we completed, beyond center of curvature, at center of curvature also completed. Now the fourth one, between focal point and center of curvature, this we'll do now. Okay, fourth one. Clear? For the fourth one here, between focal point and center of curvature. Okay, which rule will follow here? Same rule based on rule 1 and rule 2. Based on rule 1 and rule 2. Now dimensions never forget to write the dimensions. Okay, 0 2 4. So what is 0 here? Pole. What is 2? Focal point. What is 4? Center of curvature. Draw the diagram. Draw the principal axis. This is the principal axis. Show the curved surface of concave mirror. (90°), perfectly 90 degrees, then 50 from above and 50 from top. Clear? Because it is a concave mirror, shading should be outside. Keep the shading outside. Now this one is the pole. Clear? And 2 dimensions are left. Show 2 dimensions here now. From 0. Pole means 0. So from 0, from pole, from 0 to 2. And from 2 to 4. 0 to 2, focal point. 2 to 4, center of curvature. Now here, which rules we are following here now? Rule 1 and rule 2. What is the rule 1? If the incident ray is parallel to principal axis, after reflection, the reflected ray should pass through the focal point. Now what is the object? Where we have to keep the object here now? Okay, object should be between focal point and center of curvature. Okay, between focal point and center of curvature. So focal point and center of curvature. Clear? And here, from here you draw the line. Show the incident ray. Object in between focal point and center of curvature. Focal point and center of curvature. Draw the incident ray. Incident ray should be, what is the first rule? It should be parallel to principal axis. It is parallel to principal axis. This is the incident ray. IR. After reflection, the reflected ray should pass through the focal point. After reflection, the reflected ray should pass through the focal point. This is the reflected ray, RR. Clear? Now what is the second rule here now? The incident ray should pass through the focal point. After reflection, the reflected ray should be parallel to principal axis. So from the object, pass the incident ray Okay, incident ray should pass through the focal point. After reflection, the reflected ray should be parallel to principal axis. This is the reflected ray. Alright, now see the image. Where the image is formed? Both the reflected ray. This is the reflected ray. First rule reflected ray. Second rule reflected ray. Both are meeting here now. Here the image is formed. Clear? Here the image is formed. Clear? We'll write the properties now. If you write the properties, you can understand this diagram perfectly. So what are the first property here now? What are the image properties here now? Image is found beyond the center of curvature. Beyond the center of curvature. See, beyond the center of curvature. Here it is formed. Clear? Now what is the second property? You know, big size image. Big size image is formed. See the size of this image. Clear? Compared to object, see the size of the image is a big one. So the second property is big size image is formed. Now the third one, image is formed. Where the image is formed? Image is formed in front of the mirror. In front of the mirror. So it is real image. It is a real image. Clear? Now what the fourth property? You know, image is formed below the principal axis. Principal axis. So it is inverted image. It is a inverted image. Clear?